Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and let me just start off by saying happy May 4th. Today's the day that all Star Wars fans get to celebrate the much beloved franchise, Star Wars, and without it, none of us would be here watching, I guess, this YouTube video. Today's video is going to be on the KRSabers Regiis. This thing is sporting a Goth master chassis and a special anodize job that A New Hope workshop helped to achieve. So without further ado, why don't we jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this is the KRSabers Regiis. This thing was already beautiful before it was anodized, but Ashley anodized it. That's actually her tag on Instagram, is ashley.anodize.it. So if you're looking for any kind of cool anodizing work, New Hope Workshop, hooked this one up. I loved the anodizing on it and just immediately snatched it up for myself. I was going to offer this at Celebration, but I've been having a real hard time just posting it online. So for the time being, it's in the personal collection. But this lightsaber is not only gorgeous, but it is installed with an absolutely beautiful Goth master chassis. You can gain access by removing the pommel cap, give it a little toss there, and pull out the chassis. It's a fully removable chassis, and this is painted black nylon. All this gray is it's enamel spray paint. And then I just didn't coat it with anything, to let it just kind of get nasty looking. And then all the brass parts on here and the aluminum rods are all chemically etched. So they're all they're all aluminum and brass blacked. To gain access to the soundboard, you would open the top hatch like that, and then the battery is the lower hatch. They are all magnetically sealed, so you get a nice tight fit, just like that. Snaps together. Feels really good in the hand. Very solid, sturdy hilt and chassis. So this thing has a 6-pin rotary connector, Proffieboard V2.2 with extra neopixels on top. It has an 18650, a high amp kill switch, I believe 25mm speaker, and then there are all accent LEDs in here. There's a real quartz crystal and rotating motor up here, and then auxiliary switch for changing fonts while this is out of the saber.
I'm tired of fighting.
So this saber just is fully animated and can be turned on by twisting. Get a nice look at the crystal there. And same for off. You get nice lighting underneath where the soundboard is. You can blaster block with the switch. And then change fonts.
It's just bad these days.
Which it'll have different colors and animations. So really cool. And I just love having this thing to show off. Now, to put this back into the saber, there is a keyway on this. It is not actually necessary, but I just never machined down the screws that are inside the hilt. So this has to go with the keyway lined up with the CoverTech wheel, and it should go in nice and smooth. So if you don't find it, you'll know. There you go. That's nice and in there. Put your cap on. And now power. And auxiliary. The saber is much louder when the chassis is inserted. And the functionality is amazing, honestly. I just love that it's quick access to the kill switch, and then the battery, or the switches don't move. This has a shtok NeoPixel V3 in here, and then 2 tactile switches, obviously. The blade retention screw is right here, so let's toss a blade in. It uses a 1.5 millimeter Allen wrench. Tighten that a little bit, and then turn her on. And this is the DV3 by Kyberphonic. Let's see.
It's just Ben.
And then this is probably by far my favorite font out there to date. This is Ahsoka Tano from Tales of the Jedi. Something about those swings and that like quick snap ignition in the beginning gets me. It does all the things. It checks all the boxes. So anyways, when you're done using the saber, since it's a V2, there's no deep sleep or anything, a Proffi V2, just make sure to turn off the power when you're done. And if you ever needed to charge your battery, the battery positive is set up closer to the soundboard, so the nipple side, and I'm pretty sure you can get this out with your fingernail. Yep, comes right out nice and easy. But you have your flat, which is the negative, and your nipple side, which is the positive. So you always want to make sure that if you see this flat finger or this nipple on that side, just know it's always nipple to nipple, you know. Even if you can only remember it because it's, you know, a sexy thing. Maybe that helps. I don't know. But don't put your batteries in backwards because it'll blow up your board and you'll need to get a complete reinstall. So definitely try to avoid that. With the saber off, you're good to just put this back in and then put this up for display. So that's really it. It's a super straightforward lightsaber, and I'm happy to call it mine. Hope you guys enjoyed. Let's wrap this up. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe to see more awesome installs just like this one. If you're looking to get any saber installed and you don't see the service on my website, please reach out at john@sabersforever.com, and I'm happy to answer any inquiries that you have. All of the new line sabers that KRSabers just released on his website for May 4th, all of the sabers are available for commission to install on my website with all their various chassis styles. So if you ordered a crossguard KR7 and you need it installed with an Eco CC, order that kit from the Saber Armory and have it shipped here, or ship it to me once you receive the kit, and order the KR7 crossguard commission on my website, and you're all set. Today, you're going to want to take advantage of the May 4th 10% discount that's running on the website. So don't miss the sales, and until the next video, guys, may the Force be with you.